Hi, I'm Annabel Bradbury. I'm a rural transport specialist with over 20 years of experience conducting transport research both in the UK and in developing countries. I have a PhD on transport and poverty reduction in Africa, and I'm a fellow of the Chartered Institution of Highways and Transportation. I consider sustainable and equitable mobility to be characterised by the provision of inclusive access for everyone, equally, both now and in the future. This means equitable provision of infrastructure and services to support the fair movement of goods and people, transportation that can be achieved with zero carbon. Women comprise half the global population and in many countries bear a disproportionate transport burden, so it is crucial that they contribute to the design, delivery and maintenance of transport systems. Meaningful representation of women in positions of authority among transport sector institutions is essential to ensure accountable, transparent, responsive and inclusive governance within the sector and at all levels of seniority.